is pasta. How were quizzes parts 1 and 2? There were some unexpected reasons behind the behavior of dogs, weren't there? Since the previous quiz revealed that dogs sniff human groin for information gathering, you probably don't feel embarrassed anymore when a dog sniffs you. This time, you can understand the reasons behind casual dog behaviors. Some gestures might be linked to stress leading to health issues. So if you recognize any signs in your own dog, consider referring to this video for improvement.
Hi, my name is Salad. That's true. I'm looking forward to seeing what dog behaviors will be featured this time. Although I have a vague sense of understanding a dog's feelings, it's important to analyze their actions and intuitively respond, since dogs can't speak.
Then, let's aim for a perfect score again this time. Good luck!
Got it. I'll answer all the questions correctly and become a dog expert.
Let's get started with the quiz. Question: why do dogs tilt their heads? The answer is, they are trying hard to listen and understand. Everyone, did you easily figure out the answers to the quiz?
This quiz was a bit challenging for me. I used to just think they were cute, but it turns out there's a meaning behind dogs tilting their heads.
That's right. Dogs are capable of thoughtful and meaningful actions. Let's continue with the quiz. Question: why do dogs sleep with their eyes open? The answer is, to stay vigilant. Let's continue with the quiz. Question: why do dogs wave their front paws? The answer is, gestures to attract attention. Let's move on to the next quiz. Question: why do dogs hide? The answer is, dogs feel more secure in narrow and dark spaces.
This feels like an animal instinct, doesn't it? Humans do the same, don't they? If someone is chasing you, you would hide. Similarly, when unpleasant things happen at school or work, you might not want to leave your room.
That's right. It seems like the instinct for self-preservation kicks in. If you come across such a dog or person, please shower them with kindness and affection.
Understood. All of my pets usually follow me around with happy faces, but there's one, a fluffy white ragdoll cat, that is sensitive to sounds. When there's a car horn or a loud noise outside, she tends to hide in the shelves.
Poor thing. She's scared, isn't she? Let's move on to the next quiz. Question: why do dogs approach in a circling manner? The answer is, to avoid confrontation. How was the quiz with 5 questions that we just had?
I am enjoying it again this time.
Please make sure to answer the remaining quizzes correctly as well.
Okay, I'll definitely get all the answers right for the last 5 questions.
We'll keep going. Question: why do dogs lick you? The answer is, it's a display of affection. Let's get started with the quiz. Question: why do dogs make a whimpering sound that seems sad? The answer is, it's a gesture to get your attention.
The whimpering sound of a puppy, with its tiny cries, is incredibly cute. It makes you want to attend to their every need. I find myself giving treats right away, so I have to be careful not to let them gain too much weight.
While it may be cute, make sure to provide proper training and care for their health.
That's true. I have to be careful because I tend to be too gentle.
I also hope to someday have a Pomeranian puppy and enjoy its cute whimpering and affectionate gestures. Let's move on to the next quiz. Question: why do dogs yawn? The answer is, yawning can indicate tension or stress in dogs. Let's move on to the next quiz. Question: why do dogs stop walking during a walk? The answer is, there is a reason why the dog doesn't want to walk. We'll keep going. Question: why do dogs lick their own paws and legs? The answer is, for relaxation. How was the quiz?
I enjoyed the quiz, but it was surprisingly challenging.
Has anyone scored a perfect on Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 quizzes? If you aced all of them, you must be a dog expert. Please let me know in the comments.
I may not have become a dog expert, but my knowledge about dogs has certainly increased. I was surprised to learn this time that dogs sleep with their eyes open. I didn't know that they also have a protective membrane for their eyeballs. Each animal has evolved its body in accordance with its way of life.
Ha ha ha. That's good to hear.
I'd like to do another quiz sometime.
Absolutely. Look forward to the next. It'll be coming soon.